Both groups of school children seem to have seen a similar cigar-shaped object. Today, one group of children showed me the spot where they saw what they think was some kind of spaceship. The headmaster of this school at Broadhaven says he does think the children saw something they hadn't seen before at this spot, and that he doesn't think the children are lying. The other headmaster too says he thinks his pupils must have seen some sort of object. But what exactly did the children see?
Well, I saw the spaceship. I didn't see the man. The spaceship, it looked a cigar shape with a dome on it. And it had a yellowy, orange to red light on the top of it.
How clearly did you see it?
Well, I couldn't see its face because it was too far away.
Oh, you say you saw a man as well, did you?
Yes.
And what about him?
Well, he was too far away to be seen as well.
My friend Philip here was trying to find a way over the stream, and I was looking at the bushes up the top of the trees. And then suddenly this silver cigar-shaped object seemed to pop up from behind the bushes and trying to take off. Then it disappeared again.
Are you sure it wasn't perhaps just a helicopter or an aircraft from the airfield near here?
A helicopter could land there, but that's private property over there. And if they landed there, they could be prosecuted. And with an aircraft, the only thing that could get in there was a Harrier.
Were you frightened at the time?
Yes.
Why?
Well, I thought there would be a whole arm inside there or something.
It's through that gap in the hedge that the children claim to have sighted their unidentified flying object sitting on the ground in this field. And there's no doubt that they did see something grey, metallic, with perhaps a light on top, possibly cigar-shaped. But did they really see an unidentified flying object? Or was this what caught their eye?